Lesson 1. Keyboard typing as a skill and drills. Good day, grade 4. Welcome to Teacher Claire's Computer 4 class. Today, we are going to discuss Lesson 1, which is about keyboard typing as a skill and drills. But before anything else, let us remember the following objectives. First, to understand the importance of keyboard typing as a skill. Second, to demonstrate how to install Typing Student. Third, to demonstrate how to access the drills in Typing Student. I am expecting you to understand and follow this objective at the end of the lesson. So let's start. In today's classroom, students are expected to submit projects, essays, reports, and other forms of written works. We tend to use lots of papers. Since most of these written works are typewritten, keyboarding skill is important. So, are you a slow typer? Are you an average typer? Or are you a fast typer? Whatever you might be, I want you to remember these tips on keyboard typing. Here are some tips on keyboard typing. First, every 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. For every 2 hours, take an hour break. Do not exhaust yourself. Take care of your eyes and remember that you can't be a fast typer by just typing all day. You will need practice, but make sure that you also rest. Second, before typing, do the finger exercise in Typing Student to avoid pain or injury. This will help you to relax your muscles and allows you to type properly. To develop your typing skills, I want you to download this keyboarding software, the Typing Student, which I know you already downloaded. So let's watch this short video about how to install Typing Student. It's loading. Alright, I will play this one. How to download Typing Student. First, click the Google Drive link on my email, on the email that I sent to you. That one. Second, point at the Typing Student Grade 4 folder. Click the right mouse button and choose Download. Third, when it's done, you have to click Leave at the notification here that will pop up. Then the file will start downloading here at the left side. Fourth, open your file. It will be saved automatically inside your computer's Downloads folder. Open the zip folder and click the Typing Student application, then choose Extract All. Then you click Extract. As you can see, the zip folder will start extracting. Until 100% complete. Alright. 98, 99, 100. There. And another folder will pop up. You have to click Typing Student Grade 4. And the Typing Student application will soon open. Finally, there. Okay, so I have opened here the Typing Student application. I click Sign in Class. If you have your student code, you can type it here and click Log in. But if you don't have any class code, you can use offline mode and click Practice. So these are the grade 4 drills. We have 8. Finger exercise, balance exercise, word drill, sentence drill, time drill, audio drill, number and symbol drill, and falling words. Do you want to know what these drills are for? Yes? Let's discuss this. Let's go back here on our presentation and let's click Present. Alright. So these are the drills that you can find or activities that you can find inside Typing Student. First one, finger exercise. This exercise is to increase the range of motion of the fingers to avoid pain due to tightness. Second one, balance exercise. This exercise is to control the balance when lifting each finger to type a key. A coin is placed on top of each finger knuckle to maintain that balance. Third, word drill. This drill is a series of words where the accuracy and words per minute are measured with no time limit. Fourth, sentence drill. This drill is a series of sentences where the accuracy and words per minute are measured with no time limit. Time drill. This drill is a series of sentences where the accuracy and words per minute are measured with a time limit. Audio drill. This drill is a series of words in audio where the accuracy and words per minute are measured with no time limit. Number and symbol drill. This drill is a series of numbers and symbols where the accuracy and words per minute are measured with no time limit. You are allowed to explore these activities. That's all for today. Have fun exploring this application. Bye-bye! So how was today's lesson? If you have any questions and suggestions, just put it on the comments below. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!